Hi everybody, it's Jen from Scrappy Posh, and I'm here with another ASC Supplies design team project. That's ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchases. And let's see, a couple weeks ago I did the 8x8 Alice Stamperia Alice collection album. I also did a 4x4 album. I made some cards, and now I'm here with the rest of the things that I made with the scraps. So I do want to show you, because I did have quite a bit of the collection, and I still have a lot of cut aparts. I have a whole bunch of 4x6s and then the rest of these scraps. So I did not completely get rid of all the scraps, but I'm working on it. The big project here is an 8x4 mini with a 2-inch spine, and if you open this up, I guess I have room for a tag here. It's similar to the 4x4 music, or I'm sorry, the 4x8 music collection, but not the same. So maybe I'll use some of those scraps for some more tags, or to mat the insides of those tags. Just a couple of quilted backgrounds. I have some plain backgrounds just to break up the patterns. I have another pocket here, and then this album is in red, so if you're wondering how it would look in red, this is it. And then I added some black flaps and tags also. So this diagonal belly band was really fun to do. And there's another quilted. There's the fold out. Another quilted. There is the kind of tea time scene. And then I did do a waterfall in the middle. Oh, it looks like I have to mat this page. I have another pocket with a tag. A long pocket, one of the bookmarks with a tag. Oh, it looks like a booklet. It's a booklet. And this half page here. And then a double pocket with some tags in it. Actually, it's a triple pocket. There's a pocket up here too. I don't have anything in, so I can definitely use some of the cut aparts. And this last page here folds out like that, and then the flap on that is just the rabbit, and there's the back. I really like this collage page. So there is one of the projects that I made. Another project I made is kind of silly and impractical, but I thought it was fun. I made this little 2x2 by 1 inch spine mini album. And yeah, I just thought it was fun. I used some of the little tiny cut aparts from the 6x6 paper pad, which is kind of what inspired me to do this. There's like one of the little tiny tags. So I just wanted to do something a little fun. And like I said, not very practical, but it was fun to make. So that was on there really crooked. So there is this little tiny, look, if there's a little pocket, and there is a little cut apart from the 6x6, and it folds up. Super fun to do this little tiny one. If you have a little extra time, yeah, definitely recommend just having some fun, not really, no purpose whatsoever. Looks like I need to mat that one. It's a little tiny belly band with one of the cut aparts on it. So I get a couple more to mat, so I'll use some more of that paper up. There's a little, just a tuck spot. And that is that. And then I made a lot of cards. And like I said, I still have more. So I have some like quilted or pattern cards. I did some of the pinwheel cards. I think I'm going to show people how to do this on the one of the Facebook Lives if you're interested. I have some quilted backgrounds that don't have anything on them. What I think I'm going to do is I have somewhere Alice in Wonderland stamps from the Greeting Farm, I think, and I plan on coloring some of those in these colors, so that'll be fun. Another pinwheel. This is just a real simple card using one of the cut-aparts. I could definitely use some cut-aparts. He's kind of done. There's another background using one of the 6x6 cut-aparts. Just using some of the chipboard pieces. Another pinwheel card, so I can definitely put like a sentiment down there in that little box. Okay, using the cards cut apart. It's just another quilted background. Quilted background. Another one of the pinwheels in black and white. Quilted pinwheels. There they are. I like the black ones better, I think. So that is what I made with the rest of the 12x12 or the Stamperia Alice collection. And yeah, I definitely plan on well, I have to mat those few pages that didn't get matted, but yeah, we will just continue to use that collection when I can for things, and I appreciate everybody watching. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy. They're ASCCraftSupplies.com. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchases. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I thank you very much. Bye-bye.